Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya TT-01 Type E chassis, and this is part 6 of the build. We're going to be working on steps 15, 16, and 17. So let's get started. So the chassis is back. We're going to install the front, I think they call it a bumper. I call it more of a skid plate that's right on the bottom. So let's grab that. And this is going to go this way. It's going to go in like that. Alright, so these two are going to be a flathead screw. And they're going to be this one and this one right here. So these are going to be for the top. And these 3 front screws are just going to be these MA3s. Let's see. Alright, so that is done. Let's turn this back over. And again, we're going to put together this upright over here. And this time it's going to be this one. And we only have a few of these left. It's going to be these 2 longer ones with the thread at the end. These are going to be the axles. These are going to be the outdrives. Going to put a little bit of grease right here. That's okay. There you go. That should stay. So these are ready. Now let's go ahead and work on this right here. And pretty much the same thing as before. The only difference is this time in the front there are these 2 A1. They're kind of like spacers. So we need to find those. Okay. We're also going to need to put a little bit of grease over here. And we're going to insert this into the differential. And just turn it until it goes in there flush. So it should look like that. Hard to catch the light. Okay. And then, just like before, I'm going to put the grease in here instead of on the dog bone. Alright. So, there's a few parts to this. We need to insert the dog bone in there. We need to this way. I need to put that in there. Okay, if everything's done correctly, it should look like that. You can see that or not. And so I'm going to hold this and just put one of these on. It's going to go in this way. And then the top screw is just going to be an MA3, the very common silver screw. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. Again, first the cup, and then the screw. I'm going to try the thicker bit here. I believe that's it, and that's what it should look like. It should be completely free, shouldn't be any binding. Let's go ahead and do this side. Okay, there we are. Nice motion on both sides. Okay. All right, now that we're done with the uprights, we have one more thing to do, which is to put on the front body posts. And they are B13. I already have them cut out here. And the screw we're going to use is this silver flathead. And we're just going to... There we go. Super simple. All right, we've made a lot of progress with this Tamiya TT-02 Type E chassis. We worked on steps 15, 16, and 17. And in the next video, we're going to work on steps 18 and 19, which are going to be putting on the dampers. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.